Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I have an update on a case that I covered recently, and it's about Andreen Macdonald. Big up to our sources that actually told us about this story, kept us up to date, which we can't reveal. But let's get into this story. It says, a man suspected in his wife March 1st disappearance has been charged with her murder after authorities earlier this week discovered remains on a private property in northern Bexar County. Andreen Macdonald was taken into custody at a home on the city's northeast side. KSAT captured the moment and Andreen Macdonald surrendered to the authorities, and I'll insert that video right here. Macdonald's arrest comes days after human remains were found near where volunteers and law enforcement have been searching for Macdonald's wife, Andreen Macdonald. Deputies were called out to the 600 block of Speck Road around 7:30 p.m. Thursday, after bones and a skull were found about 20 yards from the road on a 50-acre private property. Sheriff Javier Salazar said during a press conference Saturday that through dental records, the remains were definitely identified by the medical examiner as Andreen Macdonald. Salazar said the owner of the property was searching for cow bones when he discovered the bones and called authorities. Since Andreen Macdonald's disappearance, numerous searches have been conducted for the mother and local businesswoman. But Salazar said remains found Thursday were located on private property where they previously hadn't searched. According to Salazar, Andreen Macdonald knows the owner of the property where Andreen Macdonald's remains were located. Additionally, the owner of the property told investigators they do not go out to the multi-acre property often and can sometimes go as long as a year without visiting the property. Macdonald is being held in a lieu of $2 million bail, the sheriff said. Should he be released, Salazar said that Andreen Macdonald will be subject to multiple bail conditions. Andreen Macdonald, an Air Force major, was first arrested on tampering with evidence charge in March after investigators discovered that he purchased cans of gasoline, heavy-duty trash bags, work gloves, and a portable burn barrel, a shovel, an axe around the time of his wife's disappearance. Andreen Macdonald then tried to destroy the receipts for those purchases, investigators said. Additionally, search warrants for the couple's home on Solitude Cove, obtained immediately after Andreen Macdonald's disappearance, revealed investigators found that the floor appeared to have been recently cleaned and there was a red stain on a light switch. The red stain, court records note, was later determined to be human blood and hair. The floors were also found to have human blood. An affidavit states that the investigators located what they believe to be more blood evidence in the couple's silver Chevrolet Malibu, as well as Andreen Macdonald's cell phone and his wife's old cell phone. Arrest documents state that investigators also noticed a burn pile in the backyard where it appeared that something had recently burned. Upon closer inspection, a friend of Macdonald's noted that they had discovered a zipper in the burn pit. In a second search, officials noted that there was a new fire pit that wasn't there previous searches. Court documents note that it appeared the fire pit had been recently used to destroy papers and other items. Additionally, as investigators searched trash cans at the home, they found heavy coveralls that appear to have been worn and a claw hammer with woody plant debris, the affidavit states. They declined to share a motive Saturday, but said there's evidence that Macdonald killed his wife and then disposed of her remains. Happy they found remains that her family can actually use, whether it's to bury, whether it's to burn, put in an urn, sprinkle her ashes wherever she so wish. I don't know why her husband did this to her, but I'm happy he is locked away. And from the beginning, I felt like he had something to do with it, and I was right. One thing I want to note though is that I hope they actually get the cousin as a co-conspirator in her murder, because after Andreen went missing, the cousin actually went to Andreen's house, was living in Andreen's bed, taking care of Andreen's husband and her child and running Andreen's business. And this is a cousin that Andreen did not speak to. So I'm of the impression, I feel like she had something to do with Andreen's disappearance. She either bad man red eye and told the husband something about Andreen so she could take over Andreen's life. The husband believed her. They went into cahoots with each other and killed off Andreen. Andreen was a very successful young woman, and it's very sad to see somebody that she loved and trust took her life just like that, and somebody that you gave a child to. I hope for that child's sake her grandparents get custody of her and she is well taken care of by her relatives and not the father, because she is autistic and she is non-verbal, and I'm also of the impression that she actually saw what happened to her mom, but because she's non-verbal, she don't know how to express that, and she is probably traumatized. She's probably gonna need a lot of therapy, and there is therapy out there for her even though she's autistic. Condolence goes out to the family and friends of Andreen Macdonald. And Andre, me hope you're right in a jail forever. Me hope them actually get the nigga. That's what a person like you deserve. Something to note is both of them are Jamaican, and Andreen Macdonald's father allegedly had a wife that also disappeared and he remarried, and allegedly they said that his dad got away with it. So I'm guessing Andre thought that he was gonna come over here and do the same thing and get away with it. Well, long run short catch and you got caught, and I'm happy you got caught. Big up to San Antonio police for never giving up and never stop searching for her and for her remains. They did an amazing job. That is how you close a case, and I hope the Jamaica Constabulary Force take a page out of their book when it comes to solving crimes, especially crimes like these. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.